How to fix the issue with Ali Bank application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue of Ali Bank application not working. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to Apple Store or Google Play Store if you're an Android device. After that, search for Ali Bank application, and if you see the option of update, click on it and do update the application. Now, after that, you need to head towards the setting page. So for that, tap and hold on the app icon of Ali Bank application and click on App Info. Then after in the setting page, click on Storage and choose the option of Clear Cache. Now once the cache has been cleared for the application, it will run smoothly now. After that, if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to uninstall the application and reinstall it. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Ali Bank application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.